A hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degrees to HP and the side on which it rests makes 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So a hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm rests on one of its sides on HP. So and also the surface makes an angle of 45 degrees to HP. So obviously it should be parallel to HP. So you have to start the problem from HP. And he says the side is resting on HP. The side which is resting on HP, you make that side perpendicular to VP. So this shaded portion what we have is the hexagonal lamina, actual hexagonal lamina, wherein all the sides are parallel to HP. So I am getting the true shape. Since the surface is perpendicular to VP, so I am getting a line here. So when you look from the front view, ABC is near to the observer, so A dash, B dash, C dash is visible. When you look from the front view, DEF is invisible, so D dash, E dash, F dash is invisible. So how to construct this hexagon is the problem. So one way is you draw a vertical line and measure the length of AD, which is 25, AF, mark this, and you draw 120 degree with respect to the vertical line by using the protractor, and you draw this line, and similarly 120 degree on this side, you draw this. Then take the compass and measure 25, cut it here, and measure 25, cut it here. Then again keep the compass here, protractor here. Then measure an angle of 120 degree with respect to this inclined line FE and draw a line. And then this as center, cut an arc of 25 mm by using the compass. From here you are already having this point. From here you draw an arc of 25, and similarly from this point you cut an arc on this to get the ABCD. But we have another method wherein how we can do is, first you draw a vertical line, then you draw one horizontal line and take the center. From this you measure, this is given 25 mm, so with this as center, draw a circle of 25 mm, and so you get this vertical line. Once you have this vertical line and you have a circle, then with this point as center, take the radius of 25 and cut an arc, you will get this point. Similarly with this as center, cut an arc on that circle to get this point, you will get D. Similarly from this point you draw an arc on this side to get A, and onto this side you will get C. Then join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A. So this is a very simple method when compared to by using the protractor method, measuring angle. So once you get this, so here this is the surface which is perpendicular to VP, we are getting a line. Since all the sides are resting on HP, so you are going to get the true shape here, and you will going to get this line here. So when you look from the front view, ABC near to the observer, so A dash, B dash, C dash is visible, and it is away from the observer DEF, so D dash, E dash, F dash is invisible. Then the lamina makes 45 degrees to HP, so one of the sides are resting on HP, so AF is the one which is resting on HP. The surface makes an angle of 45 degrees, so the entire surface is rotated by an angle of 45 degrees. But still that surface is perpendicular to VP, so I am getting a line here. So whatever this shaded hexagon has got is 45 degree, the same will be there here also. So how to construct this? The construction goes by this. So first you consider any point on this, draw a 45 degree line, measure the length from A dash to C dash, from A dash you cut an arc by using the compass. Then measure the length from A dash to B dash, from A dash you cut an arc on the plane to get B dash, E dash. Then dark this line to get this inclination. Then draw a vertical projector from A dash, F dash, and draw a horizontal projector from A and F to get this point AF. Draw a vertical projector from B dash, E dash, and draw a horizontal projector from B and E to get this point BE. Draw a vertical projector from C dash, D dash, and draw a horizontal projector from C and D to get this point CD. Then join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to F, and F to A. Though now here in this position, the side which is resting on HP is parallel to HP, so I am getting the true length here AF. which is in true length, which is perpendicular to VP. So you are getting a point. Then the side on which it rests makes 30 degrees to VP. So this is the true inclination line, and here this length what you have is the true length. So on true length on true inclination you have to get the true length. So what we have to do is, so you consider any point on XY line and you draw a line inclined at 30 degrees to VP. So your sketchbook will not be able to do it within that. So what you have to do, you take some point A dash here, you measure an angle of 30 degree with respect to this XY line, and you get a point somewhere here. Then through this point to this point you draw. Then you extend only from here to here and don't join to that. So this will be a line wherein you are going to get this. This will going to optimize your space so that we can be able to construct this hexagon. So measure the length from A to F by using a compass. Consider any point on that 30 degree line. From here you cut this to get AF, and this line is perpendicular to AF. So by using the protractor you measure an angle of 90 degree with reference to this line and draw this perpendicular line with respect to AF, and similarly draw a perpendicular with respect to AF. Then measure the length from A to C. From A you mark that, and from F to D you mark that. So you get this. Similarly measure the length from A to this point. From A you mark that point, and similarly you mark this point. Then join these two and then extend on either side. Then measure the length from this point to B. From this you cut it by using the compass. Similarly measure from this to this, from this point to E. From this point you cut an arc on this by using the compass to get the E. So join AB to C, CD, DE and EF and AE with a dark line. Then to write the front view, so draw a vertical projector from A and F and draw a horizontal projector from A dash F dash to get this point A dash F dash. Similarly draw a vertical projector from B and E and draw a horizontal projector from B dash and F dash to get this point B dash E dash. Similarly draw a vertical projector from C and D and draw a horizontal projector from C dash and D dash to get the point C dash D dash, and join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to F dash and F dash to A dash to complete the hexagon. So how do I know my problem is right? So it is one of the sides is resting on HP, the side resting on HP is inclined to VP at 30 degrees, and the surface is inclined at 45 degrees, and it is a hexagonal lamina of 25 mm side. And even in the final sketch you can see that side is resting on HP, which is A dash F dash. That same side is inclined to VP at 30 degrees and the surface is inclined at 45 degrees. This is how my problem is right.